full Mansory program, wide body. You guys have seen us put out a number of these. In our opinion, it's like the saying goes, it's the best that money can buy. Alright guys, so behind me we have a brand new Urus that we just finished up. Cars featuring the complete Mansory program. Serious build, and we'd love to show you the details on this. We did a complete Mansory kit, lowered on 24-inch AG wheels. The truck itself is actually gloss black from the factory, but what we did is we did the fill kit. Of course, everything on the body is painted in gloss black to match the truck, and then we did a matte, actually I should say a satin PPF over the gloss black paint, giving it that factory matte look. The cool thing about doing a PPF versus doing the vinyl is that you get a little bit of metallic within the satin PPF, and it applies thinner, so it looks like factory paint. Other feature on this that's very unique is all the gloss carbon. We PPF'd in gloss PPF, all the body color, everything that's body matches PPF and satin. Serious build, man. If you walk around it, you'll see it as a complete kit. Front hood, front fenders, over fenders, as I mentioned, lowered on 24-inch EGs. We opted to do the wheels in a high gloss black to match the gloss carbon accents. Full Mansory program, wide body. You guys have seen us put out a number of these. In our opinion, it's, it's like the saying goes, it's the best that money can buy. Best fit, highest end product of the game. I mean, the car is beautiful. Full carbon exposed everywhere. Everything that's left in exposed carbon, we finished it in a gloss, and everything that's body match we did in the satin PPF. As you come around it, you'll notice some Mansory fenders, Mansory hood, Mansory mirrors, lowered on beautiful HE wheels and 24s. You'll notice it has the carbon wing, roof wing, and the tailgate wing, and then the one of the main things I think that Mansory is known for on this Urus kit that's super extravagant is the rear diffuser. Aggressive diffuser with the 3-tip in the center. We're excited to have you see it, man. Let us know what you guys think about the build in the comments.